Hello, YouTube family. I just wanted to go over what happened last week and where we're at now and what the plan is for next week. So last week, space dropped down below my put. It was still somewhat profitable, so I just closed it out so that I didn't have the shares. Reason why I wanted to close it out was I wanted to focus on getting rid of some General Motors. I'm still in the green on space. Who knows where it's going to go? That failed test flight, interesting situation. But I also wanted to focus on Bank of America and Wells Fargo for next week. So as it goes, space, I just kind of bought back the position to close it out. Bank of America, it shot up in after hours trading, so the stock got called away in after hours trading. So Saturday morning when I woke up, checked my account, it was out. I was like, oh, that's a bummer. I was hoping to sell at least one more covered call against it before it got pulled away. The news for bank stocks was banks are now allowed to start buying back their stocks. So that has the potential to increase the value of the stock. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's a really weird game that can be played, but because people heard that news, there you go. Don't have it anymore. General Motors finished out of the money. Let's go back to the screen over here. General Motors, we're still down, right? So we're down from our original purchase price, which I believe the dollar cost average on the original price was $44.05. After selling some premiums, though, we've made $393 on premiums. So yes, we are in the value of the stock from its purchase price. We're down $1,200. But if you minus the premiums and stuff, it's not down as much. Not a bad situation to be in, having options to sell against your, or calls to sell against your stock that's going down. It does suck. It doesn't feel good. That's why going into this, having a plan going into this helps get through that. I also talk to my brother-in-law a lot. He helps me out not to be as emotional as I am. So as for next week, the plan going into next week, I'm going to skip the put on space. I'm going to sell a put on one put on Bank of America at 11-day expiration, and I'll talk about the 11-day expiration in just a second. Collect a $51 premium. Wells Fargo, we'll do the 11-day expiration right below the value of the stock. Collect a $50 premium. It's a little over 1%. And then KRE, this is a basket. This is an ETF, basically banking stocks. I'm going to sell that one, 11-day expiration, collect 57. General Motors, we'll go back to this one, sell 4 calls right at the $43 strike price, which is basically my break even. If you minus all the premiums, collect a $148 premium on that. Probably go up. I don't know if you saw the video from last Monday, but as the market opens, sometimes the premiums can change. If you look up here, this is kind of based on the market going in a downward direction, and so this premium is not going to be accurate for market open. When market opens on Monday, ideally, if you look at the bid ask, what I'm noticing, it's not 100% every time, but what I'm noticing is it's a trend that it's pointing upwards. What I noticed last Monday, I was able to get a better premium than I planned for. So that could be around the 450 to 470 price. Depends on how high and fast it shoots up on Monday. We'll see. The big thing about the 11-day expiration, there's 2 things going on here. When I went to go figure out my covered call situation for General Motors, there is no $43 strike price. As you can see, it jumps from $42.50 to $44. I don't want to sell 4 calls against it for only a $60 premium and potentially take a loss. We have time. It's a stock I like. I'll hold on to it after coming down from my emotional breakdown. But it is a stock that I don't want to sell it at $42.50. I just don't. I know that when I was last week, I took a premium at $42.50 just to make some more money because it did drop way more than I planned. But hey, look, that's how this game goes. So if I extend it out to 11 days, and it's the end of the year, very end of the year, 12/31. Look, there we go. We got our $43 strike price back. That's my break even. So if it goes up to 43 or past 43, I'm breaking even on the stock. with the premium sold plus the dollar cost average, and I'd be walking with 148 bucks. It's not the best situation in the world. 3 weeks, 148 bucks. That's not that good. But if you look at it, it will it will bring my account up pretty high. Not a big deal. So going back to my Bank of America, that's uh, kind of noticing that the premium you collect on the 24th is a lot less. It's still within line of it, but if you extend it out to the 11th and give it the ability to kind of gain value, less likely I'll actually have the stocks assigned to me. So I'm fine with that. Same with Wells Fargo and KRE. I mean, we'll go out just because it's the end of the year. We'll end the year instead of going 2 short weeks in a row. We might as well just go all 11 days in one trade. It'll also allow me to kind of spend time with family, not focus on this too much. I will try to make videos, but not as frequent, just because I do have family in town. We have a lot more plans for the next 2 weeks. I also got a lot of stuff going on at work, um, and then my side business. They had a lot of stuff going on there too. So really won't have too much time to go over the daily videos, possibly every other, or maybe just weekend recaps and talk about it. Since there's nothing expiring next Friday, not much to talk about other than if one of the stocks or maybe General Motors just goes down to drops another 6 or 7%, and I might make a video. But there you go. If you have any comments or questions about what I said, please comment down below, like, and subscribe. It looks like I might actually have a new team member that's trying the paper trading now. We'll see what happens. If you want to join us in conversation, email. I say us, it's just myself and my brother-in-law. He's kind of helping me with strategy and understanding options trading more and more every day. He's also kind of the voice of reason as I work out these trades and I look at General Motors and I want to do something crazy, like start buying puts and calls. And look, he brings me back to reality. Stick to the plan. Puts, sell calls, sell puts, sell calls. Um, there's going to be times where you sell a put, you make money, you sell a call, and you sell a call, and you don't make as much as you wanted to because I don't know, for whatever reason you probably could. I don't know, but in the event that the stock goes down, you'll make money. But long story short, I have somebody that's way smarter than me that we work through this and just want to add to that group of people. We're probably not going to take on that many friends in this situation, so if you want to get involved now, just to talk it out, work through it. We have it's nothing. None of us are financial advisors, and none of us really. I mean, we know what we're doing for our own money. I could never ever in the world say you do what I do and you'll make the money I make, because it's not true. Because in the event that I get in the market just a couple minutes before you and get out of the market just a couple minutes after you, the market changes that much that I could be making money and you could be losing money. That's how day traders literally make a living, is timing the market. With that being said, though, I can send you kind of the homemade spreadsheet so you can paper trade. If you want me to do that, I could do that. That way you can kind of set yourself up. I think they're kind of cool. If they're clunky and you know how to fix it. Maybe contribute a little bit. That'd be awesome. Love to have you. Again, like the video if you like what you see. Comment down below and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. Have a good rest of your week. And if I don't make a video between now and then, Merry Christmas. And hope you have a great week. Thanks. Bye-bye.